Ladies and gentlemen, dear colleagues, as crew commander of 105-day isolation and confinement experiment of Mars 500 project, on behalf of the crew, I would like to welcome participants of 17th Human in Space Symposium, which is first time held in Moscow.
Уважаемые дамы и господа, уважаемые коллеги, от имени экипажа 105-суточного эксперимента, проводимого в рамках проекта по моделированию пилотируемого полета к Красной планете Марс-500, я хотел бы приветствовать участников 17-го симпозиума «Человек в космосе». Это крупный форум, развивающий международное сотрудничество и обмен научным опытом в области космических исследований в мирных целях. В этом году он впервые проводится в России, в Москве.
Sehr geehrte Damen und Herren, im Namen der Mannschaft der 105-tägigen simulierten Reise zum Mars, welche im Rahmen des Projektes Mars 500 durchgeführt wird, möchten wir Sie ganz herzlich auf dem 17. IAA-Symposium Menschen im All begrüßen. Dieses Symposium wurde gegründet, um Raumfahrtwissen im internationalen Rahmen auszutauschen und findet dieses Jahr zum ersten Mal in Moskau statt.
Mesdames et messieurs, chers collègues, bonjour. En tant que Français et Européens participant au projet Mars 500, je vous souhaite la bienvenue au 17e symposium ayant pour sujet l'homme dans l'espace, qui se tient pour la première fois à Moscou.
It has been 48 years from now that man has started exploring space. Although the progresses have been tremendously fast, the challenges lying ahead are even bigger. The most stimulating and fascinating one is probably to study, understand and adapt the human behavior on long-duration spaceflight in order to prepare interplanetary missions.
With Mars 500 project, we are getting probably as close to a journey to Mars as you can get in these days. The goal of this project is to obtain experimental data on human health and performance under conditions of long duration isolation and confinement in a limited volume during a simulated Martian mission. Super long endurance, autonomy, altered communication condition, limited consumable resources. It is certainly clear that stress on humans that specific type of mission creates is one of the big challenges astronauts will have to master on their journey to the Red Planet.
A high-tech program of more than 70 experiments, combining the efforts of scientists from Russia, Europe, USA and Asia, is being implemented through the whole duration of the experiment. It covers investigation in broad field, in particular physiological, psychological, immunological and sanitary engineering experiments. Since the beginning of our isolation, we can already say we have been able to generate wealth of scientific data that will help to better understand how humans react and adapt physiologically and psychologically to confinement and isolation.
Based what we, the Mars 500 crew, are experienced, it's obvious that a mission to Mars will be psychologically very demanding for the crew. However, it's fundamental to say that Mars 500 project is the result of fruitful collaboration between the IBMP, Institute for Biomedical Problems of the Russian Academy of Sciences, and ESA, the European Space Agency. In this context, it's very important to see that under optimal conditions, a highly motivated international crew can overcome and handle off-nominal situation, and so increase the team spirit and performance during the mission.
Indeed, it is obvious for us that future missions to Mars will be the mission of the entire mankind, mission by the Earthling, and thus performed by international crews. It is consequently essential to us to be able to share all our ideas and visions concerning spaceflight so as to create a synergic momentum so that the resulting knowledge will be beneficial, obviously, to crews on a real journey to Mars, but also and mainly to us on Earth.
This is why we invite you to get inspired here in Moscow. We wish you fruitful discussions and great success to all people who are working on the great thing, the exploration of space by man.
Wir wünschen Ihnen viel Erfolg.
Bonne chance à tous.
Удачи.
Good luck.
Bonne chance.
Bonne chance.